Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm super excited to announce that I am going to be guest designing for the rest of June and part of July for Natasha Scrapbook Corner on Zibbit. Yay! So excited. I am a member of the NSK and Friends group on Facebook, and I joined in the challenge that she has in her Facebook group. And this is how she chooses guest designers. Is you enter a project. There's a color, like a color story that she posts every month. And you do a project, you know, in that theme of those colors. And I entered a project and I was chosen to be the guest designer for the next 4 weeks, so I'm super happy about it. As you know, Natasha has a beautiful store with lovely items in it, lots of wonderful designers on her team, and you can find the link to Natasha Scrapbook Corner Zibbit store in the description box along with the Facebook group. And I just want to go over a couple of things before I open my package, which I'm super excited about. Right now, Natasha has a Christmas in July kit that she's going to upload to her store. She did do a preview on her YouTube channel of the Christmas in July kit, and I'm going to have a link to that in the description box as well for you guys. So you can go over and check that out. There's also going to be a digital kit for the Christmas in July kit. I think she's still finishing that up, but I think you can get that from her. And some of the items that are in here are corresponding with the Christmas in July kit. So I'm not quite sure what they are yet. Let me open that in a minute. And then let's see. Oh, and she has a special section in the shop for Christmas, because I know a lot of people like Christmas in July and just like to get ready ahead of time for Christmas. So there is a section in her store just for Christmas. So the challenge in her group that I won is called Challenge Me by Color, and it's an event in her group. So if you go over to her Facebook group, you'll see that event and all the talented people who join in. So all the links to all of that are in the description box for you guys to check out. So let me go ahead and open this now. I'm so excited. So excited. Aw, thank you. Super cute. Oh my goodness, what could be in here? Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Oh my gosh, let me see what's in here. There's an amazing bag of goodies here. Oh, look at this trim. Okay. And then these pieces are the pieces that are for the part of the Christmas in July kit. And I think these are too. Oh, I saw this. Sorry, my husband's on the phone. He's talking to somebody. So let me just share one thing at a time. Let's do the doilies first. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at these. And this is a doily kit in her store. So there is a link for that. I love this one. That's pretty. Oh, look at the heart. Hearts. Love these. Love, love, love these. Oh my gosh, you get so many in this kit. And I did watch her live, where she showed her Christmas in July kit, and it has so many things in it. Like, unbelievable amount of stuff in a kit, and the price is so good for what you get in the kit. It's just amazing. So there's lots of these. Oh my goodness, look at these. Love all the different colors and all the different sizes. Ooh, I love that. Super pretty. Oh, I love these. These are great. I mean, who can't use paper doilies? You can use these for so many different things. Love that color. And I love that there's so many different sizes too. Like, I've never seen some of these colors in paper doilies. Look at that. That dark purple. Wow, those are really nice. And then there's some bigger ones here. There's a heart. 2 hearts. Oh, look at this. That's so pretty. Look at that. I wonder how big that is. Let me measure that. Let's see. How big is that? That is about 7¼ inches across. Wow, that's so pretty. I love that. Love that. And then there's a white one, and then a nice big pink heart. So there's lots of beautiful doilies in this kit, and I guess these are kind of like add-on kits that you can get if you don't buy the Christmas in July kit. So that is a good deal right there with all those doilies. Love that. Thank you, Natasha. Those are amazing. And there's a couple of doilies, or pardon me, napkins here, which I love. Look at this. Great for decoupage. And of course you get 4 of them. Very cool. I love that. Oh, and I love the crown. So French, so pretty. Look how great that is. I love napkins. I've never seen either one of these. Those are really nice. Thank you so much for that. So that's those. Oh, I can't wait to play. And then this is another part of the Christmas in July kit, is all these tags. So let me just get that open. And who can't use tags? I mean, I love tags. Great for junk journaling, great for everything. Wow, there's a lot here. There's a lot here. Oh my gosh, there's tickets. Tim Holtz ticket. There's this one. These are great. We'll just start at the top here. So there's that one. These are awesome for journaling. This one's kind of like a canvas. I wonder if that's printed on fabric or something. That might be a fabric tag. It feels like it. That's really nice. I like that. Oh, look at this. It says handmade. That's super thick chipboard too. And double-sided. Love that. And this pretty one here. This again feels like fabric. So pretty. Paris, also fabric, I believe. Love these. Oh, look at the sneakers. So cute. Well, I'm loving all these French tags in here, Natasha. I love these. These are great. I'm getting ideas already. Oh, and there's another one of those super thick chipboard tags for you. Those are nice. Love those. And this says a souvenir of Paris. Very nice. And then some blank tags, which yay, love blank tags. Lots of blank tags. This is a great tag kit. Wow, this is amazing. I love this. Look at that one. And then there's like a super tiny one right there. Look how tiny that is. And then a hang tag. And then some more tickets. Wow, that is awesome. Thank you, Natasha. Those are so nice. Love that. So that the link to these 2 things are going to be in the description box down below for you guys. Because these are part of the Christmas in July kit. So, very good deal. I went over and looked at those. Natasha tagged me in these the other day, and I went over to her store and looked, and they're such a good deal. And you see how much you get in that package. Tons. So I'm going to show this next. Oh my goodness. I love this. Look how pretty. Oh, Oh my gosh, I think I have ideas forming already. Look how pretty. That's gorgeous. If you put some bling down there, and I know Natasha sells bling in her store. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that. Thank you so much. Oh, and you know what? That would look so good with this. Look how great that looks together. So pretty. That might have to happen. I love that. That's gorgeous. And then there's this beautiful bag here filled with goodies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Wow. Amazing. And everything smells so good. She puts a dryer sheet. Oh, that smells so nice. So everything smells amazing. Oh my gosh, look at... Oh, kitty cat! How did you know I like kitty cats? I have 2 cats. Now if I can get the bag open. There we go. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Oh, I love this. Look at the kitty. So cute. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. And this is a beautiful bling piece in blue. I see that you know what my favorite color is. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Wow. Oh, I love that. And you can add charms on the bottom. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, thank you so much for those. They're beautiful. Oh, then there's a little applique. And some beautiful Paris ribbon. Love the ribbon. Absolutely gorgeous. And some gorgeous crochet trims. Look at these. So pretty. Love that. I mean, you can do so much with these. You can dye them. I mean, crochet trims are just the best. This one is a little bit off-white. I think that's the right way. Super pretty. Love that. Oh my gosh, and then there's this gorgeous wide trim. I love this. That's beautiful. Look at that. Really, really pretty. Oh, I love that. Thank you so much. Oh, and then some green bling. Super pretty. Love bling. And then there's a whole package of bling here in blues, pinks, silver, and hot pink. Like, oh my goodness, look at this. You could just add all of these things together. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous this package of bling is. These are flat back bling too. I love these. Thank you so much, Natasha. Those are gorgeous. Oh, look at this. I love this. My color. This is teal. I love teal. And it's got a little bit of glitter on there, so I hope the camera picks that up. So pretty. So pretty. Ooh, and some yellow tulle. I think it's a bow. How cute is that? That's gorgeous. Thank you so much for that. I love that. Oh, dangle trim. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous trim. I love that. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with all this stuff. And then there is a bunch of different seam binding. Oh my goodness. Who can't use that? There is white, blue, red, and yellow seam binding. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Can't you? Oh my gosh, look at how cute and adorable these are. They're wood, but look at, oh, they're so cute. I love those. Oh wow, those are great. I love those. Oh my gosh. There's so much here to play with. I cannot wait to get started. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Natasha. And guys, remember to check all the links in the description box for the Christmas in July kit, for Natasha's video about the Christmas in July kit, and the store and the Facebook group as well. And please go over and join the Facebook group, and so you can enter into her monthly challenge, the Challenge Me by Color challenge, in her group. And yeah, join in and have fun. There's lots of lovely people in that group too. So thank you so much, Natasha, for sending me this Guest DT kit, and I'm very excited to get started. So I think that's going to happen soon. So stay tuned for my projects, guys. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.